Okay, good day everyone. So we will discuss today about the union and intersection of sets. Now, pag sinabing union, the symbol used for union is this one. Yan. Okay? Now, for intersection, ang symbol naman used for intersection is kabaliktaran ng union. So, madaling tandaan, Pag union, U, no? Parang U siya. Intersection, kabaliktaran ng union. Okay? So, kapag nalito ka lang, isipin mo ng union. It starts with letter U. So, union ito. Okay? And ibang term na ginagamit for union is or. Okay? And for intersection, yung word na ginagamit dito is and. Now, let's start. Let's say we have set A at ang elements ng set A ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, and 7. And let's say we have another set at ang elements ng set na yan ay 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now, let's say for example, pinapahanap sa atin yung union ng set A and set B. So, union yan. Okay? So, pag sinabing union, isulat natin lahat ng elements ng A plus yung elements ng B. Pero, kung naulit mo na yung element na yun, isang beses mo lang siya ilalagay. So, let's start with the smallest number, 1. So, you write 1. Okay? Since may 1 na rin sa kabila, isang beses mo lang ilalagay, no? Hindi mo uulitin. Now, let's have another element. That's 2. Wala namang 2 dito. Okay lang. Kasi nga, pagsasamahin natin lahat ng elements dyan. We also have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Meron tayong 9 sa kabila. Kasama yan. Diba? Kasi yun. Sulat natin lahat ng elements ng mga set. Okay. So, that is now our answer. Now, let's have, for example, the intersection ng set A and set B. So, intersection, kabaliktaran yan ng symbol natin. So, it means intersection yan. Ano naman tong intersection? Ito naman yung mga elements na common sa kanilang dalawa. Parehas silang meron. So, let's start with the smallest number. 1. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung 1 ay common sa kanilang dalawa. So, part siya ng intersection ng sets na ito. Diba? About 2. Walang 2 dito. So, 2 is not part or is not an element of the intersection of A and B. About 3. May 3 dito. Merong 3 dito. So, therefore, bahagi siya or element siya ng set na to. How about 5? Merong 5. 5. So, write 5. 6, hindi common yung 6, but 7 is common. Okay? So, 7 is part of the element. Meron pa ba? Wala na. Wala nang common. So, therefore, ito na yung ating set. The intersection of set A and set B. So, ganun lang. Okay? Now, let's have another example. Let's say we have set C. We have the elements of set C are 10, 15, 16, and 18. And let's say we have another set D. That's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now, let's say pinapakuha sa atin yung union. Sorry, this should be C. The union of C and D. So, isusulat lang natin lahat ng elements ng C and D. So, let's start with the smallest number. So, let's start with 1. We have 2. We have 3. Sulat lang natin lahat ng elements nilang dalawa. Okay? Then, 10, 15, 16, 18. Okay, that's our answer. Okay? Next, how about the intersection of C and D? So, common. Anong common sa kanilang dalawa? 10. Ay, wala namang 10 dito. Parang walang common. So, our set is empty. Okay? Empty set. Hindi mo pwedeng ilagay 0 dyan, ha? Kasi pag 0, mali yan. Kasi ibig sabihin yan, meron silang common na element na 0. Hindi pwedeng 0. So, ang ilalagay lang natin ay empty set or ito yung symbol for empty set. Yan. Meaning, another word is null set. Okay? Empty set or null set. Null set or empty set. Okay? Now, let's have another one. Let's say we have 3 sets. Set F, the elements of set F are 5, 6, 7. And let's have another set. Let's say set G. We have 1, 2, 3. And let's have set H. 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, let's say pinapakuha sa atin yung union ng F and G. So, pagsamahin natin yung elements ng F and G. So, let's start with smallest number, which is 1, 2, 3. Okay, walang 4 sa kanilang dalawa. So, hindi natin isusulat yung 4. Next is 5, 6, 7. That's it. Yan na yung union ng F and G. Okay? How about the intersection of F and G? So, the intersection of F and G, let's see. Walang common. This is 5, 6, 7. This is 1, 2, 3. Walang common. So, again, this is empty set, null set. Okay? This is the symbol for null or empty. Okay? How about if we going to find the union, the union of F, G, should be union, and H. Okay. So, pagsamahin natin yung elements silang tatlo. Okay? So, let's start with the smallest number. 1, 2, 3. Walang 4. So, next is 5, 6, 7, and element ng H. 6, 7. Meron ng 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So, iyan na ngayon yung ating set. Now, how about if we're going to find the, let's say, the intersection of F and H. So, ano ang common kay F? So, tayo titingin kay F and H. Okay, so anong common sa kanila? 5, hindi. 6. So, may 6 ito, may 6 yon. 7. So, 7 yon, may 7 yon. So, we have 2 elements. That is 6 and 7. So, that is now our answer. Paano ko ang pinapahanap sa atin o pinapagawa sa atin is to illustrate the drawing ng set A and B. Okay? Let's say, for example, we're going to find or illustrate yung union ng set A and set B. So, this is how to draw or illustrate union of set A and B. That's it. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating shapes are dalawang circles. This is the circle for set A. So, sa loob nito yung elements ng A. Then, ito naman yung sa B. Sa loob nito ay elements ng B. So, pagsasamahin nyo lang lahat yan, isi-shade nyo lang lahat yan. So, that is how to illustrate union of sets. Okay? Now, how about if we're going to illustrate the intersection of set A and set B? So, this is how to illustrate that. Yan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating shaded part ay nandoon, no, sa gitna, kumbaga, kung saan sila parehas common sa kanila. So, that is how to illustrate intersection of sets. Okay? Now, how about if we have three sets? Let's say, for example, we're going to find the intersection of set A, set B, and set C. Yun. So, now we don't have shade. So, saan kayang part yan? Sige, shade natin. Saan part kaya ang shaded part? Okay, yung common sa kanilang tatlo. I think nandito. Okay? So, nandito yung shaded part nilang tatlo. Okay? Kasi ito yung common, no? Meron sa set A, meron sa set B, at meron din sa set C. Yan. That's all.